you lose your ghar the second you step out of your home. When you pick up that suitcase, you leave, there is no ghar. And I'm in my favorite corner of my room. I recently moved out of my triple occupancy and now I have this beautiful single occupancy room and I'm just so excited about it. But it's cold as fuck and it's 3:30 a.m. By the way, ये video ना I've been planning to make for a while. पर हर बार क्या होता है ना, मुझे इस वीडियो की याद तभी आती है जब मैं घर से या तो जा रही होती हूँ या तो मैं हॉस्टल से जा रही होती हूँ. सो आई एम एक्सट्रीमली इमोशनल and then I don't want to make this video guided solely by my sad emotions because that is not doing justice to this topic. Okay, obvious सी बात है, तुमने टाइटल वाइटल पढ़ा है, you know this is about moving out of home or out of any place situation because I'm like this close to graduating. I move out of my college next year same time, so I'm very emotional about that. Like रोई वोई नहीं हूँ but रोऊंगी ज़रूर because I've made some really great friends. I've met some really amazing people on this campus. Not to be confused by the fact कि जैसे बहुत ही amazing friends एक बार में मिल गए. I have changed groups multiple times to the point कि सबको लगता है कि मैं एक नंबर के दोगले इंसान हूँ क्योंकि मैं सबकी दोस्त हूँ. But it's just that I have spent a lot of time with a lot of people and eventually they drift apart. But I never really keep bad blood with people because yeah, life's too short. Life is too short for me to be talking shit about or holding grudges against someone. Anyways, getting back to the topic, she really is chatty at 3:30 a.m. I was watching something by Zakir Khan. That man explains the concept so beautifully that you lose your ghar the second you step out of your home. When you pick up that suitcase, you leave, there is no ghar. And I say this with so much surety because I lost mine when I was 18. I was daddy's little spoiled princess, and when I came back for the first time after 2 months back, like August में गई थी, I came back for Diwali in October, and that was such a mind-boggling period for me. क्योंकि मैं थी एक हफ्ते के लिए and so many things were happening. एक तो दिवाली इतना happening समय होता है, everyone's home, everything's happening, and my family is really hyper. So it was so overwhelming. So I ignored that thinking कि यार बस दिवाली है इसीलिए everything feels off. But then I went back home for a month in December for cement, and I have had this feeling the second I went to college. But I very recently, by very recently I mean on the New Year's Eve, I realized this, what the actual fuck this is. And it is so nice to actually put words to a feeling because I am empathetic or whatever and I feel a lot. So it is really hard to differentiate between what's reality and what's just my overthinking or me catching on to other people's feelings, which if you are even slightly empathetic you understand कि मतलब कभी कभी ऐसा होता है किसी का दिन सड़ा है, they'll come, they'll hang out with you, you kind of soak up their energy. अब तुम्हारा भी सड़ रहा है. By the way guys, this is Santra. He's been a good friend of mine since second year of college. अब ये 1.5 साल का होने लगा है. He's old. But yeah, I don't want to like scare people who are moving away from home because there is a very beautiful side to it. Ki you find your home, you become your home. I have not grown in the 18 years of my life the way I have grown in these past 2 to 3 years of my life. I'm 20 now, I was 18 when I left. ये 2 साल में I have grown exponentially in ways that I don't even understand. Leaving home is such a bittersweet feeling because एक तो you're leaving your comfort, you're leaving your luxuries, you're leaving your, as emotional and corny as it sounds, you're leaving your nest, but for a good reason. Like sometimes I will low-key sob because I don't just get to come back home and be like, Mama, ye hua, Mama. Yeah, I video call her, but we both, oh my god, I think I'm gonna cry, guys. This is something that really hits me home because I know for a fact कि अब मैं कुछ भी कर लूँ life में, I cannot go back to the place where I was with my parents. But again, it's bittersweet. It comes with its privileges because now after moving away from home, I feel like both the parties, me and my parents, and me and my brother even to some extent, we don't view each other as family members all the time. We view each other as people. The kind of conversations I have with my mom now, it's more of a we share, we are sakhis and we are chillin vibe. We are like Sahelia more now. And that is beautiful. But I will always miss like coming home and then being like, Mama. And then when I hear my dad's gaadi and I just know कि Papa घर आ गए हैं, that doesn't happen anymore. Even when I am home, ऐसा होता है ना कि बाहर जाना है, देर आर सो मेनी पीपल टू कैच अप विद एंड मम्मा पापा को भी टाइम देना है, दादा दादी को भी टाइम देना है, देर आर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिलीज, देर आर कजन्स, देर आर बड़े पापा बड़ी मम्मी, देर इज जस्ट सो मैनी पीपल टू प्ले कैच अप विद कि घर घर नहीं रहता. इट्स मोर ऑफ अ इवेंट, इट्स मोर ऑफ अ फंक्शन दैट यू गो टू. Very rarely do I get to like stay at home and just chill out जैसे मैं पहले करती थी. Before I moved out, I was a lazy bum and nobody expected me to not be one. Because मैं तो यार रोज़ ही दिखती हूँ सबको, क्यों स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट चाहिए ना किसी को. उनको तो पता है अदिति यहीं रहती है, कहाँ जाएगी. But then I moved out and now I have become this weird commodity of sorts where it's always like Aditi आई है, she has to spend time with this person and that person, and even you feel obligated towards it. You're very like कि यार मैं 10 ही दिन के लिए हूँ या मैं 7 ही दिन के लिए हूँ, I need to attend and grab and soak so much of it, and it's overwhelming. And I used to be a very anxious person, so it's still here and there, so I get really really anxious about that कि what if this is not enough. And I thank God I get to see my grandparents get old and they get to see me grow up. So there's always that fear of what if me going to college reduces the time that I've spent with them. You know, even for my parents, it's such a heartbreaking thing to say that every time I go and I see them in person, they're a little bit older, they're a lot more older. I see my brother grow up without me. Like अब मैं 1-2 महीने के गैप में जाती हूँ, I'm always like, fuck man, this boy has become a man. Like I see changes in him जो ऑन कॉल नहीं दिखते, जो ऑन वीडियो कॉल भी नहीं दिखते. There's just like you're missing out on that life. Oh, I told you I'm gonna cry. I had no plans of crying. I literally had such a good day. देखो भाई, कुछ चीज़ें ना वो हमेशा पेन पॉइंट होती है. Literally any time I talk about my home and how I feel so guilty and so pained by the fact that अब मैं वहाँ नहीं रहती और अब मुझे नहीं लगता मैं कभी रहूँगी. और रहूँगी भी तो ऐसा नहीं होगा वो, क्योंकि अब मैं सिर्फ उनकी बेटी अदिति नहीं हूँ. आई हैव ग्रोन इनटू दिस पर्सन ऑफ माई सेल्फ. It is really hard for them and me to digest the fact that we are not the same people. Like I feel like my parents have coped really well with it. They treat me as an individual more than they treat me like their daughter. They give me the space and the time and the love to grow and be who I am. And yeah, I'm so grateful for that. They never make me feel like you're just a little kid. What the hell are you talking about? But I get that treatment quite often from other family members, quite often from friends, old friends. They're like, oh, tu pehle aisi nahi thi. What do you mean by that? Little changes. I literally had this conversation with someone and they were like, what do you mean that you're a bubbly person now? I remember you being really anxious and depressed. I met that person like after a long time and they were like, you have become so bubbly, that is so weird for me. And I was like, such is life. Do you want me to be depressed all the time? Now I'm very embarrassed of the fact that I cried, but such is life, you know. But on the plus side pe dekho, I grew up so much. I have found myself. I low-key think, and I know finding yourself is a process that never ends and all of that, but I think I have a reason to be. जब मैं घर पे थी, as much as I loved my family, I did not value myself. I did not find myself worthy of nothing. I was so depressed, so anxious. घर छोड़कर आई हूँ ना, तो एक सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आई है, एक सेंस ऑफ authority. I have got the chance and the space to figure out who I am and who I have the audacity and the power to become. And अभी 20 ही साल की हूँ, तो I can't be like I'm gonna be this and I'm gonna be that. For all I know, I will be everything opposite of what I want to be. I know for a fact now कि अब जो भी होगा ना देख लूँगी. पहले घर पे you're spoiled. No matter what you say, if you have a loving family, you are spoiled for choices there. कि अगर कुछ नहीं खाना तो मम्मी बना देगी, अगर तुमसे कुछ नहीं हो रहा तो पापा करा देंगे, अगर तुम्हें कहीं अकेले नहीं जाना है भाई को ले जाओ. इवन टिल डेट मैं घर जाके बिगड़ जाती हूँ कि मैं अकेले नहीं जाऊँगी. आई हैड टू गो टू द ड्राइवर्स लाइसेंस का काम डन. आई डिड नॉट गो अलोन. आई वाज लाइक साथ में चलो. लिटरली दैट स्पॉइल्ड. बट यहाँ पे इन माई कॉलेज टाउन आई गेट ग्रोसरीज अलोन. आई गो fucking fix my shoes alone. At home I never had to worry about कि मेरे फटे जूतों का क्या होगा. मेरी माँ मोची के पास जाकर ठीक करवा लेती थी. मैं मोची के पास अकेली जा रही हूँ, मैं हेयर कट के लिए अकेली जा रही हूँ, मैं डॉक्टर्स अपॉइंटमेंट्स पे अकेली जा रही हूँ. I go sit in restaurants and bookstores alone because that's just nice to me. I have found a reason to be. I have found a reason to breathe. And I don't want to get all dark and shit, but घर पे, since I had no value to myself, I did not see value in my life either. Even after having a kind of normal family, kind of extremely loving family. Also, you understand the kind of people you want in your life and the kind of person you want to be, and you just get to grow so much. You can never be the same person you were when you left home. But if your family, if your friends really do love you, they will always have a chair for you, no matter what shape, size, form you come in. And it's a very bitter pill to swallow when you see people who were very close to you when you were home, who loved you a lot when you were home. बट अब तुम बदल गए हो ना, शायद वो चीज़ उनसे हजम नहीं होती, या मेरे को डीप डाउन लगता है ना कि मतलब दो लोगों का जो एक रिलेशनशिप होता है ना, वो तब तक ही सही होता है व्हेन यू आर सेटलिंग लाइक परफेक्ट पीसेज इनटू अ पजल टाइप शिट. एंड ठीक है, अगर पीसेज नहीं फिट हुए ना, तो आई फील लाइक वी शुड ग्रेसफुली लीव दोज सिचुएशंस. तो मुझे कभी कभी वही लगता है दैट आई हैव टू ये घूट पियो एंड रियलाइज दैट ठीक है, दे वर वेरी नाइस, दे वर वेरी लविंग. एंड अब वो चीज़ें सेम नहीं रहेगी उनकी ज़िंदगी में. अब तो जो तुम हो उनके लिए शायद जगह नहीं है, विच इज़ फेयर, विच इज़ फाइन. क्योंकि वाइब नहीं मिलती यार, या तो वैल्यूज़ नहीं मिलती है एक पॉइंट के बाद. क्योंकि वैल्यूज़ चेंज अ लॉट. माई वैल्यूज़ हैव चेंज्ड अ लॉट. मतलब you love that person but you don't respect them, you love that person but you don't like them, is that type of shit. and I think तब ना बेस्ट होता है कि तुम छोड़ दो, क्योंकि प्यार का अचार भी नहीं डलता, लेकिन रिस्पेक्ट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी. ये चीज़ ना मैंने नोटिस पहले दिन से ही करी है, द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वेंट बैक होम. बट अभी जब फ्रंटल लोब डेवलप हो रहा है तो चीज़ें समझ आती है. इट इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग कि अब तुम्हारे बदलने के बाद, तुम्हारे ग्रो होने के बाद, या जो भी, जब तुम घर जाओ, there are some people who will accept you for who you are, even if they can't, even if they don't. Sometimes my mom doesn't really understand me, but she's there to love me, she's there to watch me, even if right now I have wrong opinions, which God knows some of them are. And I low-key share almost everything with her. कुछ चीज़ें मैं उनके भले के लिए नहीं बताती हूँ, and I think she's happy that way. She is always there, standing, giving me the time and space to fix things and understand things and learn things. And I think that is really precious. And it just got much more colder in this room for whatever reason. So if you're moving out of your house, all the best. I hope it's a good experience for you. अगर एक बार में कोई जगह घर नहीं लग रही है, कोई बात नहीं. रिमेंबर दैट आई चेंज रूम्स एंड रूममेट्स कॉन्स्टेंटली. आई चेंज फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप कॉन्स्टेंटली. अभी भी मेरे जो दोस्त हैं, आई लव देम अ लॉट, बट आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट दे माइट नॉट बी कॉन्स्टेंट. और नहीं भी है तो ठीक है यार, आज के लिए आई लव देम. दैट इज़ ऑल आई हैव गॉट फॉर यू, बेबी डॉल. I did make tea for this episode and I now see it getting cold on my table. क्योंकि मैं रोने में busy थी clearly, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you know every time I'm posting. And I hope anyone who watches this who is moved away from home feels a little bit like they are not alone in this bullshit, because it is isolating thinking that your own family doesn't like you or that you have changed for the worse after going away from home. Sometimes it's just that you grew a backbone, okay? Like, not that deep. Love you. Bye. Good night. It's fucking 4 a.m., but I have to go for a hike at 7. So I don't know how much I'm gonna sleep now.